Hello from Slovenia again. A week or two back I experimented with Elmer's Cool Glue as my pouring medium. For the first time I did this flip cup and it turned out with a lot of lacing cells, all kind of nice stuff. And I have some paints left, some I believe indigo, turquoise blue, gold and white, and I will just experiment on this 8 by 8 inch wooden MDF boards for coasters, and I will use these attachments that are from Paint Pour store. I don't know, I will see which one I want to use, and I will just try blow this out, maybe do a double dip technique, we will see. And as you can see, my paints are kind of on the thick side, like for the bloom, I will say. And I will start with this darker blue here in the middle, and the turquoise blue, and the gold, definitely on the thick side, and some white. And this white is thinner than the one that I used for the pillow or the base, or how can I say. So let's see how this attachment works for. I thought that maybe I will get a little more cells, but I didn't. But it's okay. Let's see. Nothing's going on in the middle. Let's get closer. I messed up in the middle. No, it kind of doesn't work like I would hope. So, you know what, I will try to do a double dip. And I will add just a little bit of white on this second board. like how the double dips came out, so I will just use a little bit of this that I scraped off. Press to create suction. And slowly divide. Just gorgeous. I really love those double dips, and they are just so simple but gorgeous. You know what? You saw me blow this out and it just not something that I would really like. So I will just double dip this one too, and I will have a set of 6 coasters. Those blooms are not my thing with any medium. So I will again just pour some of these scrape-offs. So here they are. I really like them. Try to avoid the glare. This one is just gorgeous. This is the last one that I'm not a fan of, but okay, I love this one. And this one too, really beautiful. And this one too. Just gorgeous. And this is from the scrape-off paint. It's still cute little thing that you can include somewhere. Okay, so let's wait for those to dry.